So let's talk about 5 reasons why homes don't sell. There are 5 reasons I see over and over again with the other listings that they don't sell. And I'm going to share with you the key points, some details, and see how we actually make the difference in selling some of these unique properties that other agents couldn't sell. Hi, my name is Shawn Yu. I'm in Portland, Oregon. You may have gotten one of these postcards, or maybe you found me online. So the first one is the price. It's obvious one, but it kind of ties with the number 5, the wrong expectation. If you especially have certain negative features of a home, those are like a backs to a busy road. You have high voltage wires in really close to your backyard, too close to highways, too many stairs in the front. There are about half a dozen other negative features of a home, but if you don't adjust accordingly, price too high, ignoring those negative features, you're going to sit on the market. I see this over and over and over again. I can emphasize enough on this one. The wrong expectation. Because you have the wrong expectation of the price, your properties unfortunately have some negative features. Things that I mentioned, they're not really fixable. So the only way to do it is price adjustment. The second one, the listing data and online presentation. And I see often the wrong data is in RMLS. So what I mean by that is I've seen homes that are in Southwest Portland listed in Northwest Portland. If it doesn't show on the map and search website, your home is not going to sell. Wrong square footage, wrong school, boundaries, wrong HOA information, bedroom count or bathroom count. It's a human error, but it's important enough that you can not afford to make that kind of mistakes. But I see it quite often. Number 3, feedback adjustment. So this is assuming that you got enough of the buyers going through your home and getting feedback from those buyers and the buyers' agents. Some feedback as the floors are too cold. I had that before. We had like a black marble, the stone flooring. So when they walked in, they felt cold. What we did was we just raised the room temperature. Because once the room is warmed up, I think it was in March, when they walk in, it feels like homey. That's what it's about. Selling a home, it's not a rocket science, but making those small adjustments to make a home feel like a home. And sometimes, many times, these things can be ignored. That results in home not selling. Fourth one, communication and negotiation. There are several steps when the buyers and sellers negotiate. Price, repair negotiation, appraisal negotiation if necessary. And having that good communication with the other side will more likely take you to the win-win situation. When you have a good, skilled negotiation, well-networked agent, you're going to get the benefit from that. The fifth one, the wrong expectation. Going back to that, knowing your property in the wrong way, having too high of expectation will go back to the price and result in failure of selling your home. If you've seen one of these postcards, I basically have some of the examples. This Northwest Portland home, they tried with 2 agents for 101 days, but we sold it in 21 days. These 2 took 3 different agents before we were hired. One was about 914 days on the market, 1,057 days on the market. We sold it within 17 days and 222 days. That property had 2 houses on one lot. Same thing, one agent. We reduced the marketing time by about 50%. This is about 30%. And this is about 80%. As I mentioned, selling a home is not rocket science, but it is very detail-oriented, marketing-centric, understanding good photos and videos that attracts the buyer's eyeballs. That's what it is about. And my job as listing agent is to bring as many buyers' interest, as many buyers' visit the listing as possible. And that's what we are good at doing, and we've been successful at it. So thanks for watching. I hope this makes sense to you. If you've experienced your home not selling, please feel free to reach out to me. If you're thinking about selling your property in the near future, there's no obligation to hire me, but we can sit down and talk about troubleshooting your marketing of selling your home that didn't sell. Thanks so much for watching. You can reach me there by pointing the camera there, or you can call me or text me at 503-515-4499.